Hello, 你好. Today we're going to talk about Business Mandarin for Beginners, Part 2. So you might be wondering, where is Part 1? If you haven't seen Part 1, the link is over there or in the description. But you can finish this one and binge watch to my other videos in Part 1. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button of this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I have new video lesson every week. Oh wait, don't forget to follow my Instagram right here. Now we can get started. First vocab of this video is 执行长 CEO. 执行长. I think that English is easier than Mandarin, CEO, okay? But in Mandarin, we say 执行. 执行 actually means to execute, okay? 长 means the chairman, okay? The leader of a group. So 执行长 CEO. 执行长. 这家公司的执行长在台湾。The CEO of this company is in Taiwan. 这家 you can use 家 as a measure word for 公司 company. 这家公司的执行长在台湾。这家公司的执行长在台湾。Next one, 开会 to have a meeting. 开会 literally means to open a meeting. To open the meeting, 开会. How do we use that? 我今天要开3个会. I have to open 3 meetings today, meaning I'm having 3 meetings today. 我今天要开3个会. I'm going to have 3 meetings today. 我今天要开3个会. So, 开会, you need to separate that. How about meeting as a noun? You could say 会议. 会议. 我有一个很重要的会议. I have one very important meeting. 我有一个 I have one 很重要 very important 很重要的会议 meeting 很重要的会议 Speaking of 会议 meeting, just pop up to my mind right now. There's a word that I can teach you is a conference call or a Skype meeting, a long distance meeting. In Mandarin, we would say 视讯会议 视讯会议 meaning a conference call 视讯会议 Okay, so you could say 今天我没有视讯会议 I don't have a conference call today 今天我没有视讯会议 Remember, this is business lesson for beginners. So I'm not going to use very difficult examples for you guys. Okay, next one. 新人 meaning new people, means the new employee in the company. 新人我是这家公司的新人 I'm the new employee, the newbie of this company. 我是这家公司的新人 I'm the new person of this company. 我是这家公司的新人 The newbies and the new employees, they always had the trial period. So the trial period in Mandarin is 试用期 Okay, this is very literal because 试 here means test or try and 用 means use. Try use period. Okay, which means a trial period for new employees. Okay, 试用期 新人的试用期是3个月。Too fast, right? One more time. 新人的试用期是3个月。So the trial period for new people is 3 months, okay? 新人的 new people 的试用期 the trial period 是3个月 is 3 months. 新人的试用期是3个月。Speaking of 试用 I want to give you another example. You can use 试用. Okay, for example, if you go to a department store and then you are just trying some cosmetics or like samples. So in Mandarin, we could say 试用品. 试用品 literally means try use product. So if someone tells you 这个是试用品, this is the sample. This is for trying. 这个是试用品 try use product. This is try use product. Okay, this is for free to try, the trial sample. 这个是试用品，这个是试用品。Let's move on to the next vocab. 会议室，会议室，会议 meaning meeting, remember? 室 here meaning room, written Chinese. So 会议室 meaning conference room or meeting room. 会议室，会议室。Very easy example, you could say, 请问这间会议室有人用吗？请问 may I ask, 这间 this 会议室 meeting room 有人 have people 用 use 吗？ Yes or no? I'm making it very, very literal. Are there people using this meeting room? Means that is this meeting room available? 这间会议室有人用吗？这间会议室有人用吗？ Next one. 同事 colleagues or coworker. 今天公司来了一位新同事。今天 today 公司 company 来了 arrived 一位 one 新同事 new colleagues. There's a new colleague coming to the office, coming to the company today. 今天公司来了一位新同事 coworker 同事。 Next one is 工作. This one is easy to work. 工作工作 You could say 我喜欢我的工作 I like my work, I like my job. So 工作 could mean work or job. 工作 Next one is 办公室 office. 办公室这是我的办公室 This is my office. 这是我的办公室 This is my office. Next one is bonus. Bonus in Mandarin is 奖金奖金 This is also a very interesting word because 奖 meaning prize and 金 meaning gold. So prize gold meaning bonus. 奖金奖金 So year-end bonus. I don't know if you have year-end bonus in your country, but in Taiwan, we have year-end bonus, which is 年终奖金年终奖金年终奖金你今年的年终奖金多少？你今年的年终奖金多少？多少 meaning how much? So how much is your year-end bonus this year? Well, remember, it is really not okay to say that or to ask people about that. At least for me, I think this is kind of private, but traditional Chinese culture, it is okay to talk about bonus and money and salary, openly. But actually, depending on different people, like me, I'm super private with my money and salary, stuff like that. So really depending on different people, alright? 年终奖金，你今年的年终奖金多少？你今年的年终奖金多少？ Or you might have Christmas bonus in your culture, I don't know. So Christmas is 圣诞节 Christmas 圣诞节奖金 Christmas bonus 圣诞节奖金圣诞节奖金 Christmas bonus. Last but not least is the salary. In Mandarin we say 薪水薪水 meaning salary, but in China they might say 工资工资 So in Taiwan we say 薪水 more often 薪水薪水 And in China they say 工资工资 But we understand each other's Mandarin. Alright, you could say 你这个月薪水多少？你这个月 this month 薪水多少？ How much is the salary? 你这个月薪水多少 ？Or 你这个月工资多少？你这个月工资多少 ？For elderly people or older generation, as I mentioned, it is okay to talk about 薪水、工资、奖金 salary and bonus openly. I'm a younger generation, at least I think I am, okay? I dislike this tradition, so it really depending on different people. I'm pretty protected with my privacy about the money part. So, well, it really depending on people. Elderly people, they don't mind. Younger people, it depends. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you liked today's lesson. And if you haven't watched the first video for business Mandarin for beginners, you can hit the link down below. Also, you want to download the worksheet of this video lesson, the link also down below. Also, follow my Instagram and also join my Facebook Smart Mandarin Support Community. If you like to listen to podcasts and if you happen to have Spotify app for listening music and podcasts, I have podcast lesson on Spotify. So just search Smart Mandarin on Spotify. You'll find me, you'll find Smart Mandarin podcast course there. I guess that's all for today. And if you're interested in becoming my student, the link is there or down below. Alright, thank you for watching this video lesson and I will catch you in the next one. 再见!